कित्याक आमी आयज डिसायड केला एक हिम करपाक. वेन आय स्टार्टड व्लॉगींग हांवें तेन्ना प्रॉमीस केलें म्हज्या व्युअर्सांक दॅट आय वूड बी पोस्टींग कवर्स ऑफ हिम्स ऑफ सॉंग्स पूण समहाव ड्यू टू टायम म्हाका मेळोंक ना करपाक. But today we decided to do a hymn that's very close to our hearts. It's been in our family for a long time, and I have learnt it from my grandfather, from Papa. And Janice will tell something about it.
Yeah, so we first heard Grandpapa sing it for the litany, and since then it has always been our favorite. There are a lot of versions, maybe, but this is the version that we know that he sings. So we hope you all like it.
And apart from this, you might be curious about my next song, that is Utkoinkara. Don't worry, it's gonna be releasing very soon. And it's almost done. मातशें थोडेशें काम उरलेलें आहा. Apart from that, it's almost ready, and I will be releasing it very soon. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for any further updates on Utkoinkara. And now we'll do our favorite hymn, and I hope you guys like it.
Bapa Mhojea Mogalla, Bapa Mhojea Mogalla, Bapa Mhojea Mogalla, Bapa Mhojea Mogalla. मोजें शिवी तुझ्या हातान सोडटा, तुका मागता तितलेंच कर म्हूण मागता. कितें करशी तुजो उपकार मागता, सगल्याक तो याद सगळेंच मोगान घेता.